Hi folks, Jeff here, and I just want to show you some of the new diagnostic scan tools that are out there and available for your shop that you might want to check out. Now, Molly Tech Pro upgraded, and this is the new one from Molly called Blue Jay. It looks pretty cool up there, and so if you have the old dongle, or if you have an EJ compliant tool, then you can plug that in, and it'll download to your computer. You can just hook it up like that. It is an online based subscription. And once you do that, you just hook it into the car. This is really neat. If you have a service drive, you can pull a vehicle up. You can just plug it in, turn it on. We've got the vehicle right behind us. And all you do is you hit auto navigate, and it's going to connect with the VCI that's in the vehicle. And it says some vehicles are limited. You just go like this. Here's your home screen. Okay, so what do we want to do? It's already got the VIN off this and scanned so that we already know what vehicle that we have here. That quick and easy. Now you can see this is real time, and so we're going to show you how quick this is. It's going to go in and ask you sometimes if there's options on here. This is really neat for the customer to see because they can see and understand how many computers are on their vehicles. When they say, oh my gosh, we're just not doing a quick scan like they do at one of the parts houses, we're going into the entire vehicle. And so this is a great deal anytime someone's thinking about buying a car, anytime you have a first time car in and say, hey, let's scan the system. We're going to look at everything that's on here. And as you can see, all of this went in. So when you show the customer, this is how many computers you have on your vehicle that we have to look at, that we have to scan, that affect the running. Up here you can see that there was an evaporator emission code in here, and there was actually two of them. It's not telling you what it is, but these are saying that they're permanent. In other words, they're in the system. So we can either go in and clear those out down here simply by hitting this. We can print this report so our technicians have it, so the customer has it, or we can write down these codes and put them into our system so we have records of what was on this vehicle when it came in. If we want to go ahead and clear them, just quick clear them out like that. You can see these are permanent codes, and so those are ones a lot of times you have to, they're just in the system. It's going through and rechecking all of those. That quick, it's cleared them all out, and we're done. So now we know if we need to schedule this vehicle in, what tests we need to run on this vehicle for a technician, and we can sell that to the customer. Well, that's just one of the new ones that are out there. This is really neat, and I like the graphics on it. Those other ones, you can actually go in and it does bi-directional controls, and so you can go into all the different systems. It aids on testing, so if you want to have this for your techs, they can go in and it saves them time on testing, where they can just actuate a controller and say, okay, is it in the switch, or is it in the, do we have a bad bulb, do we have a bad connection? And just by being able to do bi-directional controls really aids in the process on testing. That's what's going on in the shop today. As always, I appreciate you watching.